Hey everyone! I've just finished making a Sci-Fi force shield asset in Blender using geometry nodes, and guess what? I'm giving it away. 100% free. I made this video because I wanted to share this awesome asset with you all. And trust me, it's not just a static effect. It's almost fully customizable. You can tweak the color, the size of the hexagons, the spacing between them, the displacement direction and intensity, and much more. I've even included 4 unique material presets, so you can match it to your scene instantly. Thanks to the power of geometry nodes, you can apply this shield to any object with just a click. It automatically adapts. Think of it as a plug-and-play shield system. It works perfectly in both Eevee and Cycles, so no worries there. And yes, you can use it in personal or commercial projects however you like. You'll find the download link down below. And hey, even though it's free, if you find it useful and want to support what I do, feel free to buy me a coffee with a tiny tip while you're there. Every bit of support goes a long way and helps me keep making cool tools like this for you. Let's check out some of the renders I made using the shield. If you like what you see, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and tell me how you used the asset. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay creative. See you in the next one.